You go inside, you know what the house looks like, but the question is, if you close your eyes, would you recognize the house? And you could probably recognize most houses by the smells. Like mine now smells hot and musty. And others you recognize by the pets or by their laundry. I'd like to think in our house sometimes it can be recognized by the sound. That it might start with me at the piano and what I like to call the Simon percussion section. Once I start playing the piano, Brad slams his door shut, and Jordana then slams her door shut, and that's the percussion. But if things are going really well, the best sound of all is when Babs comes by and she sings with me. So please welcome Babs. Please welcome. It is without a doubt the greatest sound and the greatest thrill to have Babs sing with me. And the more I thought about it, the harder it was, and I realized that for better or worse, the song has to speak for itself. So I'll dedicate the song. I'll dedicate the song to Saul on the loss of his father last spring and his aunt last spring. I dedicate the song to all of us who lost our rabbi and our Rebbetzin last spring also. And the song's called Rain.